Hi boys and girls, welcome to Fundations Week 2, Day 4. And let's go over. Last week we learned the letter T, top, T. B, bat, B. F, fun, F. And this week we are learning the letters N, nut, N, and M, man, M. Let's get started. Okay, it's time for our drill sounds. Here we go. T, top, T. Good. B, bat, B. Awesome. F, fun, F. M, man, M. N, nut, N. Okay, now it's time for our standard cards, sound cards. Here we go. B, bat, B. F, fun, F. M, man, M. N, nut, N. T, tap, T. Okay, boys and girls, this is the part where we're going to make a sentence. And to help, my daughter Ava is here to help us. So I'm going to ask Ava questions, and she's going to answer in the sentence. And then I'm going to use the sentence frames to make the sentence. So Ava, what do you like?
I like strawberries.
Okay, so I'm going to type Ava. That's the uppercase letter because it's the first letter in the sentence. Ava likes strawberries. And then I'm going to put a period because that is a statement. I'm not asking if Ava likes strawberries. She told me. So I asked the question, what do you like? Ava likes strawberries. Okay, Ava, what else do you like?
I like dogs.
Okay, so Ava likes, and instead of having strawberries, I'm going to erase strawberries and put dogs. Ava likes dogs. There's 3 words, Ava and likes dogs. Okay, Ava, what else do you like?
Flowers.
Flowers, okay. So, Ava likes dogs. I'm going to erase the dogs and I'm going to put flowers. Ava likes flowers. All right, Ava, I'm going to switch the sentence. I'm going to erase flowers too. And I'm going to ask you, what do you dislike?
Fish. I dislike fish.
Okay, so I already have Ava dislikes fish. Ava dislikes fish. Can you tell us something else you dislike?
I dislike cockroaches.
Cockroaches. Ava dislikes cockroaches. I think I spelled that wrong. Yes, I did. Oops. It went up in the air. I want to move it. Okay, so Ava dislikes cockroaches. And boys and girls, notice between Ava and dislike, there's a space. And between dislikes and cockroaches, there's a space. That way, everyone can see the words. Ava's the first word, then dislikes cockroaches. And we have a period at the end of the sentence. All right. Thank you, Ava, so much. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to review how to write N and M. Now let me take a look at here. Now remember, T, B, and F, they're skyline letters because they start on the skyline. Okay, the N and M are plain line letters because they start on the plane line. So we have learned 1, 2, 3 skyline letters and 1, 2 plain line letters. All right, so here we go. I'm going to do the N. We start on the plane line. You go down to the grass, trace back up to the plane line, hump to the grass line. N, nut, N. Start on the plane, go down to the grass, trace back up, hump to the grass line. N, nut, N. One more time. Start on the plane line, go down to the grass line, go back up and hump to the plane line. N, nut, N. Okay, now let's do the lowercase m. We start on the plane line, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, hump to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, hump again to the grass line. M, man, m. Start on the plane line, you go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, hump to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, hump to the grass line. M, man. M, man, m. One more time. Plane line, straight down to the grass line, back up to the plane line, hump to the grass line, trace back up and around, hump around to the grass line. M, man, m. All right, boys and girls, it's now time to write. You should have your writing grip, marker, and your eraser nearby. So I'm going to give you a sound, and you're going to write that sound down. Here we go. T. 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 Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, cross at the plane line, T, top, T. Good job. Okay, the next one. Look at my lips. All right. M says M is a plane line letter. You start at the plane line, down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, hump to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, hump to the grass line. M, man, m. Okay, the next one. B. B. So B, that, B. So you write a B. B is a skyline letter. You start on the skyline. You trace down to the grass line. You go back up to the plane line and give B a belly. B, that, B. Good. Okay, next one. Got my mouth. All right. N, nut, So you're going to start on the plane line. You go down to the grass line. You go back up to the plane line and hump to the grass line. N, nut, Okay, last but not least. F, fun. So F is a skyline letter. You start on the skyline, fly back, go down to the grass line, pick your marker up and cross as a plane line. F, fun. All right, boys and girls, that was an awesome job. What I would like from you today is you writing M and N correctly on the line. So I would like to see a picture of the lowercase n. I'm sorry, I'm way over here. Let me try to do that again. This line and hump to the just back up. I would like to see a picture of your M, man, and a picture of N, nut, All right, and that's how you're going to get a smiley face for the day. All right, boys and girls, that is it for Fundations today. Let's review. Today we learned the letter N, nut, M, man, We learned that they were plain line letters. The week before we learned T, top, T, B, bat, B, F, fun, F. And we learned that those three were skyline letters. They start at the skyline. All right, boys and girls, see you tomorrow. Happy learning.